Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional, not in today's newspaper of Friday November the 12th 2021. We have only two regular Sudokus in today's newspaper. The regular Sudoku are the heavy and the light Sudoku. Yes. So what I've decided is to continue with the rest of the puzzles in the additional of the Tuesday edition. Tuesday, November the 9th. Yes, I've already solved one Sudoku, so there are three Sudokus or puzzles left. 2 star Sudoku, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. First we will solve this 2 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 3674. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. And for a 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. And let me see which number can I pick. How about the 8 in this first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. And then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6, should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the 1 in this row, the 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Let me think. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers in this column are the numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in this big square. Oh, sorry, the 1 and the 3 in this big square. So no 1 and the 3 in this box. The 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. Disappear. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 2. Okay. 2, 2. 7, 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between. The only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 place for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Right. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Alright. Okay. We have a 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and the 4. Okay. 2, 1, 3. Okay. Then. How about 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 2, 2. The 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6, and a 7. Look, in this column, second column, these 3 boxes. Okay, we have a 2 in this column. Oh, no. Made a mistake. Well. 5, 6, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this middle row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in that box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column. 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Oh wait. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 3, 5. 3, 5. 2 numbers left in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and 2. 2 numbers left in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2 We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and the 4, okay. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. 2 numbers left in this big square. For number 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the first column. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the the 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5. We see that 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Let me continue with the 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Then 4, 4, 4, 4. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 6. Interesting. 2 numbers left in the third column. For the numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Now we have a 1. Oh, wait. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. Okay. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column. For the numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Okay, 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, only place for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku with 2 stars, and I like this one. I'm real pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, a binary one and a tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.